Hello everyone. This problem can be beautifully solved using the Galileo's law of odd numbers. Question says the drops are falling at regular interval of time and the tap is at a height of 5 meter above the ground. This is the ground. The moment third drop is leaving the tap, the first drop is at the ground. It's mentioned in the question. Then we have to tell what is the height of the second drop at this moment. When first drop hits the ground, third drop is just leaving the tap. What is the height of the second drop above the ground? Okay. This question can be easily solved using the Galileo's law of odd numbers. You can watch the detailed video on the Galileo's law of odd numbers using this. Now, according to the Galileo's law, this distance should be x and then this distance should be equal to 3x. X plus 3x we can see directly is equal to 5 meter. So 4x is equal to 5 meter. The x comes out to be 5 by 4 meter, which is 1.25 meter. Agree with this? Now our answer is the height of the second drop above the ground. Means the answer should be equal to 3x. This is the height of the second drop above the ground, and that 3x will be equal to 3 into 1.25 meter. So answer will be 3.75 meter above the ground. It means the third option should be correct. I hope you understood the solution. If you have any doubt, please post that in comment box. And if this solution helped you, please like this video, subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends. And if you have any other doubt in physics, you can post in the comment box. We'll resolve it. Stay awesome and see you in the next video. Thank you.